Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sell AI generated tools as a service in 2025. So step 1, start by deciding on your AI tool type. This could be text generation, code generation, image creation, or data analysis. Step 2, use tools like OpenAI API, Replicate, or Stability AI to power your tool's backend. Step 3. Build a user interface using no-code tools like Softer or code-based options like React or Next.js. And step 4. Set up your payment using Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or Stripe for monthly or usage-based subscriptions. And step 5. Deploy your tool and start promoting it through Twitter, Reddit, Product Hunt, or any email campaigns or platforms that you can think of. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.